This Studio 3T Highlights video is a continuation from our lookup stage example and uses the customers and the Chicago affordable housing datasets. The operator project selects specific fields and passes them through the next stage. It's extremely useful for filtering a document to show only the fields we need. Let's say we only want to see our customers' names and the information associated with their address. We can do this by creating a project stage that only passes through certain fields. We'll do this by creating a new stage in the Studio 3T Aggregation Editor, selecting Project from the drop-down menu, and giving each of the fields we want to be passed through to the next stage a value of 1 or true. The nature of an aggregation pipeline is to have multiple stages, so you will likely use Project in tandem with other operators like find, match, or lookup. Run the query by executing the entire pipeline. You should see only the fields we want. From here, you can pass these results into the next stage of the pipeline. Please see our other highlights videos on getting more from MongoDB with the power of Studio 3T. Thanks for watching and happy aggregating!